Hello, I'm Stephanie and I'm a second year PhD student with Cranfield University. I'm looking into the survival of human pathogens in sewage, sludge and soil. Sewage sludge is the accumulated solids during the sedimentation phase of the wastewater treatment process. So whilst it's got high quantities of nutrients and organic matter, it also can potentially contain pathogenic bacteria, and these can then enter the soil environment when they're used as a fertiliser in agricultural systems. So I'm looking at their persistence in the natural environment. The main benefits of my research are clarifying the ecological parameters which govern the survival of pathogens in soil and sludge. I suppose there's a lot of data out there that looks at basic survival and abiotic conditions, whereas mine takes a new spin on that and looks at biotic conditions as well, so the microbial community within the soil as well, and how that impacts on the introduced pathogenic bacteria. The thing I enjoy most about my project is the lab work, so the experiments I get to design and then run. I've learned a lot of new skills, especially in terms of microbiology and aseptic techniques, and I just really enjoy running the experiments really and finding out the new things from the treatments that I've chosen. I think it's important to know about soils because we can't survive without it. We need it for food as much as we need air or water. And I think the more we know, the less we are going to be scared about, say, pathogens or sewage sludge. And I think less reactionary and less able to be led by the media. I think the media could better communicate soil science and say things about bacterial pathogens and other things related to my subject area by not being so scaremongering in the way that they convey the messages or convey the news. I think a more rounded and impartial response would be appropriate, so that they've got all the facts and they present them fairly, rather than trying to sell newspapers. My hopes and goals for the future are to continue in research, hopefully academia if there's a place for me. If not, I'll be happy to continue with science at in some form.